To edit the control center on iPad, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. You'll see the plus button at the top left corner. Tap on Add a Control. Here's the full list of all the controls you can add to Control Center. Just scroll through the list or search, then tap the control you want to add. After that, tap anywhere on the screen to save it. To resize or rearrange shortcuts, touch and hold anywhere inside the Control Center. Now, drag the control to rearrange it and resize the icon like this so it's easier and faster to access. You don't need to go into the Settings app anymore. On older iPadOS versions, you had to add and manage controls from Control Center settings. But on the latest iPadOS version, you'll only see two options there. Allow Control Center access within apps and reset Control Center if you want to start fresh and customize it again. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates and drop a comment if you need more help.